Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the M1 Air. Now you can see this is the M1 Air. The RAM is 8 gigabytes. You can see the display is 13-inch and the storage is 128 gigabytes. And you can see the battery information. The battery capacity is 89% and the cycle count 229. You can see this is a space gray. You can see previous owner used it heavily. You can see the keyboard and you can see this a little bit here, a little bit. You can see the trackpad, a little bit of traces of use, and but no scratch. This surface, no scratch, no scratches. Okay, you can see the logo. Okay, some little scratches here. M1 8 and 128 gigabytes. You can see some scratches. You can see the corner. You can see the port. Okay, some scratches. Okay, some little scratches here. The corner also some scratches. And here also some little scratch here. Okay, the headphone jack. Okay, traces of use. You can see the back. Here is the sticker print. You can see, and also here the little dent here. Also here the little scratch here. Okay, you can see obviously here. Okay, the price is about 2,100 same one. 2,100 this machine, and let me show you the display. The display. Let me change. Okay, this color. So you can see the display is okay. So you can see the color, the display. No problem. No problem. No spotlight. No spotlight. You can see. And I change another color, the red color. Okay, the red color also no problem. This price about 2,100. Okay. If you want to know more information, you can subscribe to my channel, and I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay. This is M1 Pro, and so much MacBook. Okay. See you in the next video.